Here we are, in the studio. Well, I should say here I am in this studio, because no one is here with me. Welcome, my name is Anne Helsdinge and I work at the Center for Digital Education at EPFL. And this lecture is about connecting with your audience during a video lecture. Recording video lectures here at EPFL is a pretty lonesome business. We have 2 studios where our lecturers can record autonomously, without any help of cameramen or technicians. That reduces the stress a little of recording, because it's not like anybody is watching me at this very minute. But at the same time, it makes it difficult to present my lecture in such a way that it feels personal. I'm talking to no one at this moment. And at the same time, I have to realize that I'm talking to you. Not now, but sometime in the future, when you decide to watch. So I'm imagining my audience. I'm imagining you to be here with me, to make my presentation seem like a natural discussion between us. I try to talk as if you were here with me. I use pronouns like you and me, us, our, your, and I use spoken language. I'm not reading a book chapter or an article. But I want to do more to reach out through time and space and, the time and space that divide us. Not only because I think it makes the video more interesting, but also I hope that when you realize that there's been an actual person, me, that has put in all the effort to create this online course for you, then maybe you will also put in the time and effort to read and watch and do the exercises. And maybe you make it to the end of the course. Successfully, that is. So other things that I can do is to ask you questions to make you an active listener during my presentation. For example, let's have a look at this set of 4 cards. All cards have a letter on one side and a number on the other. Now, if you would have to prove the thesis that if there is a vowel on the one side, there's an even number on the other, and you could only turn 2 cards, which one would you turn? So now I have a little pause in my presentation. I'll let you think about it. And then after this pause, I can do several things. I can give you the answer. Or not. Or I give you part of the answer. Because let's face it, the first and easy answer is to turn the vowel to see if there is indeed an even number on the other side. So you turn the A. I'm sure many of you got this right. But what did you do? What did you want to turn next? Of course, I can now give you the answer or let you find it yourself. I'll opt to do the second. This was the famous Wason task that is often used in psychological experiments to test people's logical thinking skills. Go and find the correct strategy online. And if you had it wrong, don't worry. Many recent scholars have already concluded that performance on this task is not related to any intelligence or logical thinking skills or whatever skill, other than if you have it right on this task, you're just very good at doing this task, the Wason task. Anyways, this was an example of getting you active during watching a video lecture. Other ways to get you active or to draw your attention is to annotate or write on slides. But Matthew will present that in another video.